Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your pork chops tender. Begin by choosing chops 1 to 1, 5 inches thick, and trim excess fat. Mix a simple brine with 2 tablespoons salt per quart of water and soak for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on size. Pat chops dry before seasoning, then sear on high heat to lock juices and finish in oven until 145 degrees F. Rest before serving. Brining is a simple technique that improves both flavor and tenderness. Use 2 tablespoons salt per quart of water and dissolve fully, then submerge chops for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on thickness. For a quicker option, use a dry brine of 1 tsp kosher salt per 4 ounces of meat and let it rest uncovered in the fridge for at least an hour. Always pat dry before cooking to promote a good sear. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh after grocery runs, especially when transporting marinated meat or shopping for ingredients. It's a small thing that makes drives more pleasant and funny to mention during a cooking video. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Searing then finishing is a reliable way to get juicy chops every time. Heat a skillet until very hot and sear each side 1 to 2 minutes to build a flavorful crust. Transfer thicker chops to a 350 degrees F oven and cook gently until the internal temperature reads 145 degrees F. Remove chops early and allow a 3 to 5 minute rest so juices redistribute, which keeps the meat tender and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.